Good morning. Welcome to the Earth and Tree Miniature and Dollhouse Store in Amherst, New Hampshire. 276 State Route 101, open 7 days a week. And renovating dollhouses is something we've been doing a lot of lately. Just a quick glance through our workroom of some of the unique buildings that we are renovating right now. Some need everything being redone. Some stuff is a little bit here, a little bit there. This is a brand new one that we're finishing for a customer. Our Lilydale. Another house where lots of work going on in the back room. Getting a lot of stuff done. Lots of houses waiting to be finished, get delivered, and it's not even the holiday rush yet. But we are keeping busy, and there's even a few more out here. Our back room's so overfull, we've had to move a few out to our front room. Join us next time and see what we're working on. Thanks.